Hi there. Here we have the new Roger wireless keypad. As you can see, it has buttons from 0 to 9, star, hash, and 4 channels A, B, C, D, represented by 1, 4, 7, and star. Now to add a user code, all you need to do is push star, type in your password, star, enter your user code, hash, the channel you want to select, and hash. I know it sounds complicated, but it's not. So I'll demonstrate. So star, password, default is 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, star. The red light will indicate you're in programming mode. Then you want to add a user code, for example 1212. We'll go hash, and then a channel. Let's go channel C, and then hash. And that green light and the buzzer will indicate that your user code has been stored. Now to open your gate, 1212 star, and that green light and that buzzer will indicate that has been transmitted. Thanks for watching.